All right, so we're gonna go sneak up. Not really sneak up, you can probably see us coming. We're gonna go talk to Anthony. I met Anthony earlier, and this guy is crazy, but crazy cool, and he's got a funny story. But this is how he gets his exercise whenever he's van lifing. So we're just gonna pull up right up on him. What's up, man?
How are you?
How are you, buddy?
I'm good.
All right, so I was telling everyone, oh, look at this, you got your...
So this is a virtual course,
What?
virtual riders, and then this is my YouTube.
All right, you guys
videos.
you gotta come peek over and see this. So let's get over the shoulder so you can see this. So he's got his virtual course right here on his app on his phone.
Let me just show you something real quick, just how cool this is.
Where in the world are you riding right now?
I'm. This is a fake world right here.
Okay.
It's called Utopion's Whip,
Okay.
and this is a group ride, but I'm not warmed up. They're going too fast.
All right.
But it's virtual. If they go uphill, it goes uphill.
Wow.
It's hard.
All right.
And then I watch YouTube videos.
And then you got his YouTube watching his, yeah, I mean, you really got this whole van lifer kind of thing figured out, don't you, buddy?
Yes. What you can put in here, all this was inside there.
I love that. So he's got his track bike, but you've got it on a stationary bike.
It's a cycle, it's a gravel bike.
Okay.
And it's called a...
Oh, because you're off-road tires. Got it, yeah.
Wahoo Kicker.
Okay.
And so it Bluetooths to this, and it produces my output of power, and tells me how fast I'm going and whether I'm keeping the ride or not.
That's great. Now, where do you store this in your Grech RV?
So the kicker goes in the center aisle between the two seats.
Okay.
Bike goes on the back, of course.
Okay.
And then the scooter goes right behind the two seats. So it's amazing what these Grech RVs have for storage capability.
I'm telling you, buddy, you got it figured out. Now, we're talking about that because we were talking about generators, propane tanks, all of that stuff earlier.
You eliminate that with the battery system.
Yeah.
It's amazing. And this battery will run your AC 10 hours in Texas heat.
Wow.
105 degrees.
And that's where you're from, so he's...
Yeah.
When we talk about heat, Anthony knows about that Texas heat.
Texas heat.
Yeah.
And notwithstanding the quality of a Grech, I mean, I've owned everything.
Sure.
Thor, Winnebago, all Tiffin, all of them. And Grech is just, the quality second to none. And of course, the service at Grech is unbelievable.
So let's talk about that, because one of the
I'm sure everybody's saying the same thing.
It's probably one of the first things that they go to is the service.
Yeah.
And they talk about that, and they talk about how they've never been treated this way by any other brand.
10 o'clock, you post a post, and John Black's texting you, hey, check this, check that. I'm like, okay, aren't you sleeping?
Yeah, I don't think John or AJ sleep at all.
They couldn't, because they're texting you at 10 at night, you know? And I have had all my problems pretty much solved over the internet or over the phone, or the parts FedEx next day.
Wow.
So it's just unbelievable. And John, hey, just get a remote guy to come fix that.
Wow.
No running to the dealer for 2 months.
Sure.
I use this full time. I mean,
yeah.
So yeah.
Well, I mean, we at Grech, we can't not have Anthony doing this.
Yeah.
We gotta have Anthony out there.
You gotta be on the road.
Yeah, you gotta be on the road, man. You gotta be adventuring. So how long have you had your Grech?
My Grech I bought last May.
Okay, and why the Strata? Why?
I needed the room.
Okay. Sure.
Oh, come on, look at all the stuff
Yeah,
I have.
true. It's true. You got a lot of gadgets.
Yeah. It won't fit in anything else. I need the room.
Fair enough. And you've had it since when, you said?
May.
Okay, in May. So how many adventures would you say? How many states?
I've already been May since put 10,000 miles on it.
Okay.
And I probably do 2 a month.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So, yeah.
Very cool.
With the exception of December.
Sure.
What's amazing is I put on venues.
Sure.
I was a financial advisor, and I put on big events, 300 black tie events, and this thing is first class. They didn't miss anything, from organization, from loading you in, from checking you in, for providing food, for providing teaching. It's run professionally.
Yeah.
And you just don't get that in the world anymore.
Right.
And then you get to meet great people from all over the world doing sort of different things than you, but the same thing.
Sure.
And then I meet guys like you. Got a lot of personality and fun.
I didn't pay you a dime to say that.
No, you're a lot of fun.
No, and I appreciate that. And that's what's cool about me too, getting involved in this, Grech family is meeting the people, figuring out where they're from, why they came here, why they live that Grech lifestyle, learning about their animals, their families, in the backgrounds. And, there's a whole community here too that I think is so important. And it goes to the culture of what they're building here at that Grech RV family.
Everybody has a different story.
Yeah.
Done with the same tool.
Sure.
Right?
Yeah.
So we all get have this tool, but we all have a different adventure.
Right.
And
right.
It's awesome.
It's like a motorcycle gang, but it's van gang. You know?
Old people.
Yeah, but you know, I think it's you know, okay, maybe some of the people here, you know, have a few years. I say on me, right? I'm 45, but man, everybody is so youthful
Energy.
and young and energetic and
Being outside, right?
yeah, like
Want to be outside, want to be moving,
Right.
want to do something.
want to be active. You know, want to have that adventure,
Just sit on the
active
couch and
lifestyle.
die, right?
Yeah. I know. I think you're motivating everybody here, though, buddy, by what you have going on. Look, I think you're living an amazing life, man. You are the true, you know, Grech RV catalyst for everything that you. You know, you came zipping around in your
cyclists who are 20 and 30 and 40.
right.
For you want a bike race or bike adventure, there's nothing like a Grech. So
Yeah.
that community hasn't figured it out yet.
Right.
You know, that guys your age who cycle, this is the vehicle.
Yeah. Well, so to the one person who maybe is debating or thinking about, you know, making the leap or jump to the Grech RV family, what's the one piece of knowledge or advice now being an owner that you would give them after having all of your years of camper and van life experience?
You're going to enjoy this experience. This is such a refreshing. Customer service isn't customer service today.
Sure.
At Grech, they're throwing back to the 50s.
Wow. Yeah.
I mean, they're really trying to be customer service where when we were kids,
it's the personal experience, the
it's
white
unbelievable.
glove
It's just
treatment.
hard to even explain it. It's hard to believe that they actually care. It comes across that they care about your experience, your adventure, and your life. And that just is, we don't have that much anymore.
Yeah, that's awesome. Well, also, I know you're former military, so I want to say thank you for your service.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.